What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got Nick's car back here, and if you guys don't know already, it's a 2000 EM1, and I hope you enjoyed those clips because it is beautiful. So let's check in with Nick, kind of go over a few things, and yeah. All right, dude, so what's up?
What's going on, man?
So the people want to know, what is it?
It's pretty simple setup. It's just a V16 stock motor, ARP head studs, GT 3582 turbo. It's on full 88.5 or E85. ID 1000s, a Walboro 255 fuel pump, and I just put an ACT 6-puck clutch in. Other than that, that's about it. It's got an Integra Type R manifold and a full 3-inch straight pipe back.
Yeah. That's the one thing I love about this car, dude, is the full exhaust. Nothing's ruined through the hood. And I think that's the way it should stay. Yeah, but
gives it that stock look. People don't expect it.
I think one day we should at least just take the hood off and put a, hood dump on it just so we can hear it. Definitely it's going to sound sick. So, well, let's take a little ride in it or whatever. It's on 15 pounds. So my guess and his guess as well, too, I think it's probably like right around like 350 horsepower, but yeah, this is a daily driver, dude. Yep. So E85 too. So
yep. E85, no AC, no power steering, daily driving.
That's awesome. But he's also got a really cool Mustang as well too. Yeah. I'm sure we'll shoot a video on that as well too. So, and if you don't know Nick, he we work together. And he is the mastermind behind all the builds and everything like that. He is the guy that turns all the wrenches, and what can I say, dude? You're an animal. And I'm very thankful for you. So yeah, let's hop in this beast and take it for a spin. All right. Let's go ahead and get a little start up. Daily driver. You don't get no more daily than this right here. You want to go ahead and turn the AC on for me?
Oh, yeah.
So I noticed it's got AFR, boost gauge, and it looks like an oil pressure gauge. Yep. And this thing's got some mint oil pressure. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got some good oil pressure. And talk about a clean interior. Oh my God, dude. This is, I swear, this is like the rarest EM1 I've ever like seen and been in.
Yeah, full interior. The only thing it's missing is the steering
full interior. But dude, super clean. And it's a factory sunroof. So yeah. That is a daily driver for you right there, but God, she rips, dude. Wow.
Yeah, this thing's a blast.
I like, most people don't like this trans, but honestly, I love this trans in here just because it just feels so much faster, dude. Yeah,
it stays in boost. There's not really any lag because the gears are so short, so it just goes right back into the power band.
Especially for like a street car setup, like this wouldn't be ideal for something kind of like 1,000 horsepower or whatever, but like yeah, this range, dude, just makes it feel like a complete animal. Yeah, I love it, dude. But 100%. I'm jealous this is your daily driver. But yeah, dude, so this thing's gonna stay stock. Nick's gonna probably buy something in the future, like, and then we're gonna go like full retard.
Yeah, actually build that, make it crazy. I wanna try to keep this one as close to OEM as possible. Obviously the motor isn't, it's turbo already and all that, but I want to get the factory paint color back, and I want to put AC back in it. I don't really mind it not having power steering, but I'd like to get AC back in it. Right. Other than that, it'll probably stay about the same. I might turn it up a little bit more, but I mean, this is probably how it'll stay for a while.
Yeah, I love it, dude. It is such a nice little car. Like, power wise, bro, like there's not a lot of stuff that you can just hop in just like this, yeah, turn key and have this much power. Like, it's pretty impressive. But lot of the V8 guys out there, they're like, oh man, it's only 350 horsepower.
Yeah,
but this car weighs like nothing, dude.
Yeah, 2,400 pounds or something like that. This weighs with full interior.
Exactly. And then the light, you know, RPF ones too. I mean, like those things are stupid light.
Yeah, these wheels are insanely light. I had raised gram lights on it before.
Should we show the people a first gear rib?
Yeah, we can. Those are the car behind us right now, but
stupid cars.
Yeah. We'll do one up here.
All right, let's see what first gear does in this.
Nice.
Yeah, dude. This thing is nasty, bro. See, I haven't ridden it since you know, really fixed everything. I know you had to do a clutch. We had to wait for that thing to break in.
And then I had to replace the distributor too.
Yeah, the distributor. Got that from PFI Speed. Ooh.
Yes, sir.
So, this thing's sweet, dude. You know what? I might have to get one as a daily now.
Yeah, gotta get a part of the squad.
Yeah, but other than that, dude, I mean, I'm jealous. I want one now.
This thing's so fun.
For sure. Alright guys, smash that like button down below for this Turbo EM1. That is such a blast. He actually, I had to give him a ride because he hasn't rode in it yet.
Yeah.
So
first time in the passenger seat, dude.
What'd you think of that? What'd you think of that first to second?
It was nasty. It feels good. I like it. Definitely feels different than the driver's seat.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, always the driver's seat always makes it feel slower. I don't know why, but
yeah.
The passenger seat, especially with that thing when the seat had no bolt in the front.
Yeah, it definitely puts it in perspective. I mean, this isn't like an insane car, but I mean, it does some work for what it is.
Yeah, for sure, dude. Trying to convince him to go to the no prep this week, but maybe. You know, if we had some radials and stuff, you know, I think he'd be going on the trailer, and we'd be taking it. But
yeah, I don't think his hand coach will do well.
Yeah, well, that'll be for another time. We'll get it ready for another no prep or something.
Yeah, definitely in the future. I do want to bring it out.
Absolutely. So you think people should like and share this, or?
Oh, absolutely. Like, share, subscribe.
Do all the things?
Everything.
Hell yeah. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. There's a burnout going on behind me, but I appreciate you watching this video. Definitely like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. See you guys.